So today in this video, we're going to talk about finding a doctor. It's very important. When the time comes, you need to find a doctor that you stay in network. And in this video, we're going to discuss finding a doctor with Ambetter Health. So as you see on my screen here, I went to ambetterhealth.com. On the right-hand side, we find FindADoctor. It's going to take us to this next screen. And for those of you who have already signed into your account, it might look a little different. But in this case, we're going to move forward as if you are a non-member as a guest. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to choose my home state. Click on that. I'm selecting my state of Arizona, choosing the coverage year, 2024. It's very important we choose the correct county, Maricopa County. As I hit continue, you're going to see that now there's two plan options. This is very critical. Please pay attention to this step. There's the select network, and then there's also the bronze, silver, gold network. Look into your plan details, look into an email that we've sent you or some paperwork that you have to determine what network you have. I'm going to choose the select network. It is their less expensive network, which you likely had, because that is the cheaper plan. Okay, so now as I'm in here, now I can choose by a variety of options. I can search by name if I'm looking for a specific doctor. Let's say I'm looking for Mrs. Noriega, Dr. Noriega. Here, let's see if she's in here. Dr. Noriega is not in here. I mean, she's out of network. So I'm going to go and I'm going to look, since my family physician isn't in there, I'm just going to type in family doctor. There it is, family doctor near me. And as I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, I'm going to hit search. So you're going to see a long list of providers that'll be available to you that are in network. On this left side, starting from 0.4 miles from my location, you can see that there are 15 results. Okay, and now if we wanted, we can edit this. We can edit our criteria. There are filters around the top. If I want to find a cardiologist, I just type on cardiologist. Let's change that. Let's see what we're looking for. Cardiologist. Okay, cardiologist. Let's see how many are in network in Phoenix, Arizona, near me. I'm finding 58 cardiologists in network within Ambetter's smaller plan. It's that simple. So if you have any questions, we're here to help, but hopefully this tutorial helps you understand a little bit about how to find a provider.